Are you looking to supplement your income or even make a living online? Making money online has become increasingly popular, as it offers a flexible way to earn money without a traditional job or large investment. There are a variety of ways to make money online, from selling items on eBay or Etsy to freelancing, or offering services to setting up a blog or website and monetizing it with ads and affiliate links. If you're looking to get started, here are some of the easiest and most popular ways to make money online. 1. Start a blog. Starting a blog is a great way to share your passion and knowledge with others, while also making money. You can monetize your blog by adding ads and affiliate links, and you don't have to have any technical knowledge to get started. 2. Become a freelancer. If you're skilled in a certain area, such as writing, web development, or graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals and get paid for it. There are many freelancing websites and marketplaces that make it easy to connect with customers. 3. Sell items online. If you have items you'd like to sell, you can do so on popular online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy. This is a great way to make money on the side, and you don't have to have any inventory or overhead costs. 4. Take surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback and opinions from consumers, and they'll pay you to take surveys to provide them with it. There are a variety of survey sites and apps, such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars, that make it easy to make money taking surveys. 5. Become an online tutor. If you're knowledgeable in a certain subject or have a background in teaching, you can offer online tutoring for extra income. There are online tutoring websites, such as tutor.com, that make it easy to connect with students and start tutoring. No matter what method you choose, making money online can be a great way to supplement your income or even make a living. With a little dedication and effort, you can be well on your way to earning an income from the comfort of your own home.